Welcome to our course, Motivation in a Hybrid Work Environment. Working with people is hard enough as it is, but working remotely and cross-culturally can put a strain on any relationship. My name is Jana. I'm a lecturer, program developer, and a positive psychology consultant to many different organizations. My passion in life is to help teams develop their own unique strategies that will cultivate and foster a sense of belongingness, collaboration, and joy. Welcome to the course, and I'm looking forward to all of us diving deeper into this content. Well, now we're going to try and hit some objectives in this course. Now, first of all, I'd like you to understand what are the elements of a positive work environment. Second of all, I want us to really engage in some critical thinking and look at what are some of the elements that you might need to put attention to make the best out of your team as well. We will also look at how can you facilitate conversations that will help you to co-create with others this new norm, this new working environment that we don't have the rules of engagement yet. So this is a really great opportunity for you to learn that. And most importantly, we're going to be practicing. We're going to be applying, and we're going to be trying out different things until you can really fine-tune what will work for you. Now, this course is structured over 2 weeks, and you will have 5 days of lessons, and days 6 and 7 will be there for you to catch up on what you might have missed, and I will also be sharing with you some reflective questions so you can start to really embody this kind of knowledge that we are learning as well. The course is based on 2 theories that we'll be diving into, and the interventions use those theories as the evidence-based foundation, looking at self-determination theory by Deci and Ryan, and we'll also be looking at high-quality connections, research by Jana Dawson. Now, there are a few things that I would love for you to prepare before we dive into the content. First of all, I'd like you to really dial up your strengths of creativity and collaboration, because this is going to be about collaborating with others to find these strategies. So I know that you might have a strength of teamwork, you might have a strength of social intelligence, you might have a strength of leadership. Whatever those collaborative strengths that you have, now is the time to start using them and dialing them up. I'd like you to also suspend judgment of self and others. When we judge something, we really close the doors towards opportunity. For example, let's say that you're packing up your house and you get boxes. And you put a label on your box and you label it shoes. You're not going to put books in that box anymore, are you? You're going to put shoes. So by suspending judgment, we're actually open to opportunities of using different things in different ways. So I would really encourage you to do that. So dial up your curiosity. Be open to experiences, be open to experimenting. And also lastly, please do your pre-course survey. Now, the pre-course survey is really designed so that you can monitor your progress. At the end of the course, you will take the post-course survey, and you will be able to see how this journey, this learning journey that you are just about to embark on, has really helped you in your own context and your own life. I can't wait to get started. This is a really interesting topic because it's something new for all of us. Of course, people have been working remotely, but never to the extreme that we are doing it now. And this whole hybrid work environment is something that we will explore together and unpack so that we all have a deeper understanding of it. Looking forward to doing this with you.